Vector Robot Companion, Smart Robot. Providing a voice-forward experience to play music, read news, control other smart home devices, and more. He's alive with personality and engaged by sight, sound and touch. Vector is voice activated and will answer questions, take photos for you, time dinner, show you the weather. Smart and getting smarter, Vector is an updating platform, cloud connected via Wi-Fi, so he's always learning and updating with new skills and higher camera resolution. Vector's new 5MP camera will enhance his facial recognition, improving his ability to recognize pets and even know when you're smiling.
Hey Vector, what's the weather?
30 degrees and snowing.
Alexa, turn up the heat to 75. Alexa, remind me to buy milk tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Hey Vector, want to play blackjack?
17. Another card.
Hit me.
26. You busted.
Alexa, add Beat the Dealer to my shopping list.
I added Beat the Dealer to your shopping list.
Hey Vector, go home. Alexa, turn the lights off. Come here.
LED tactical flashlight multi-tool for EDC gear, cool gadgets, tactical